delusions and attachments be off. All delusion of yours and mine just go. I came into the world to attain the peace of God. I came into the world to only do that work which will reveal my divine nature, my testimony nature. Now I will do that only and will listen to that only. I listen to talks of ignorance and delusion in many lives only to plunge myself in the mud and quagmire. Now I will listen the talks of knowledge, peace, bliss, and God to make my life divine. I don't want big palaces and mansions. I will prefer the peaceful forest hut, which enhances devotion and the knowledge. I do not want palaces. I don't want big palaces and mansions. I will prefer the peaceful forest hut, which enhances devotion. The jungle hut is enough for me. I do not want ornaments. I am satisfied with the rosary of Tulsi. I don't want pleasures and tasty dishes. I will do with simple piece of bread. Meera's Lord is the mountain lifter. I wish to sit at the feet of Guru and adore Lord Harima. I don't want to talk to the king, but I want to sit at the feet of Guru and meditate on God. I want to absorb my heart only remembering God Harima. My mind is set on ascetic life. O attractions of the world! O the worldly delusion of you and I! O the customs and manners dragging one to worldliness! My goodbye to you. I am lost with the people who are going towards path of God. O God, may I do those things which bring me closer to you. May I think of those thoughts which make me enter your knowledge. May I contemplate that, O consciousness self-God, which would make me united with you. May I think of those thoughts, O Meera's Krishna, O Shabri's Ram, O God of devotees, O God of devotees, please grant me your devotion and grant me your love. World has tortured me a lot, trapped me. World has tormented me. Had I practiced penance for your love, I can't imagine where I would have been. Had I practiced penance to attain you, I don't know what heights I would have scaled. To get one certificate, we waste around 12 to 16 years. Vivekananda said, if I had to do my education over again, I would study 2 subjects only in my life. One is concentration and the other is detachment. That's enough. By concentration, all the treasure of mysteries and strength is unlocked. Detachment releases one of all the bonds. Individual becomes Brahm, becomes God. Nature becomes favorable to him. Vivekananda said, if I had to do my education over again, I would develop the power of concentration and detachment. Those who have command over all the other subjects will also make their fortune at the feet of such a great man who has mastered the two subjects: concentration and detachment. He becomes the conqueror of the world. Having achieved no certificate, he becomes the giver of all the certificates. Even if he never went to any school or college, but Guru has said, you have completed the course of concentration and detachment. Or he may come to know himself, he becomes capable of giving certificates to others. How is the kingdom of Supreme Lord? In the kingdom of Shivaji, many teachers try to please him, but Shivaji went to have a glimpse of Guru Tukaram. And as he saw the hut of Tukaram, he went bare feet to prostrate himself before the great man who had learned the lesson of concentration and detachment in his life. All virtues are cultivated. All happiness emerges. All beautiful inspirations come alive. All the personal magnetism is developed in his inner self. Passionate person will cheat others, and detached person will do good to others. He will start doing good to the world. The detached person will not think evil of anybody. He will do only good to the world. When you do a little good to the world, it starts to worship you. This world becomes anxious to respect you. Society is so good. World is so good. Society is so good. World is so good. If you master the two subjects of concentration and detachment, the world is ready to follow you. It is willing to worship you. It is willing to adore you. It is willing to obey your command. Only two subjects: concentration and detachment. I have seen such great men who studied these two subjects. IAS are their disciples. Many ministers are their disciples, and one or two prime ministers also prostrated at their feet to make their fortune. Many gods also make their fortune by having his glimpse. One who learns these two subjects becomes aware of the Atma Brahm. And gods sacrifice themselves on such a man. Woe unto the gods, Yaksh, Gandharv, Kinnar, if they do not contribute to divine works of such a great man to make their fortune. Concentration and detachment. Spend all time in mastering two subjects and you have got all. Tirth Ram spent to master these two subjects 1 year. Tirth Ram then became Swami Ram Tirth. Buddha also spent on these two subjects 6 years, and he became Bhagwan Buddha from Siddharth. And Vardhaman became Lord Mahavir. A Kohar vendor boy Kamar, hailing from a poor family, after spending some time on these two subjects, concentration and detachment, and then he went on to become Saint Kamar Ram. King Janak also spent some time on these two subjects and became adorable. Otherwise, a person with king's merits is not adorable. King is not worth worshipping, he is only respectable if he is a good king. But Janak became adorable by mastering these two topics, these two subjects. The means of concentration is meditation. There is no pilgrimage like meditation. There is no yagya like meditation. There is no penance like meditation. There is no charity like meditation, and no bath like meditation. Meditation is of four kinds: Padastha Dhyan, Pindastha Dhyan, Rupastha Dhyan, Rupatit Dhyan. By seeing again and again the feet or image of God or Sadguru, so that you can see it for a long time. Even when eyes are closed, it will develop concentration. If you see for a longer time, it will develop concentration. Keep your eyes half open or half closed, looking at the Guru's picture with a fixed gaze. It will help in concentration. Close your lips. There should be a finger breadth gap between the upper and the lower teeth. And start counting your breaths. The subject of concentration will start. Look at the stars and the moon, and while lying down or sitting on the terrace wholeheartedly, with a fixed gaze, it will also enhance your concentration. Is there any tree or object, or you put a paper on the cardboard fixed on the wall? Cardboard. Right in front of your eyes, make a round circle with the help of a 1 rupee coin. In the circle, paint in yellow. Put a compass in the middle of the circle, just like the thickness of a matchstick. And now fill it black and make it black all around and put a yellow spot in the middle. Fix it on the front wall at the level of your eyes and keep looking and looking with open eyes till your eyes start watering. You may blink your eyes, but again with a fixed gaze. Increase the period from 2 minutes, then to 4 minutes, and to 5 minutes, and so on. This practice will increase your concentration. This concentration helps in the worldly studies. Concentration helps in the worldly behavior and helps in unlocking the spiritual treasure. Padastha Dhyan. Help of any image or any Guru or God and concentrating on the mind is called Padastha Dhyan. Other meditation is Pindastha Dhyan. Our body has 7 energy centers. Yogis call these centers as chakras. Mooladhara Chakra, the center of sexual activity, which can also be sublimated. Swadhisthana Kendra, Manipur Kendra, Anahat Kendra, Vishadakya Kendra, Agya Kendra and Sahasrasar Kendra. On any of these kendras, to concentrate the mind is called Pindastha Dhyan. Do 8 to 10 pranayams sitting in a yogic posture. The heat of the asana activates the Mooladhara Chakra. The sexual energy is sublimated into devotion. The fear turns into fearlessness. Hatred turns into love. Jealousy turns into equanimity. Life starts becoming pleasant. Influence of the personality becomes impressive. If one concentrates on Swadhisthana Chakra, all doubts and imaginations are gone. Doubts start eliminating, imaginations start vanishing. The secrets of holy books are revealed. Such beautiful, pleasant secrets and qualifications start appearing in a person, and well-read and learned people also get inspiration in that subject from such a person. Jamshed Tata went to Europe to take advice from Swami Vivekananda regarding the finalization you please allow me where I should set up a steel plant. He told him to set up along the river in that particular district where there are enough iron ore available, and your business will run well. It is running well. He got the inspiration from Vivekananda in Europe. The concentration unlocks huge mysterious powers. One can know the treasures of gods, and he will be able to read others' minds. He can know the events of the past, present and future. He knows what is happening right out there. He will also know what is going to happen in the coming future. But this is not possible with ordinary concentration, and is possible with developed concentration only. There are many benefits in the development of the center. Manipur Chakra develops power to write poetry. He also becomes capable of explaining. Though he did not get the school education at all, Tukaram Maharaj, but his composed prose is presently included in the curriculum of Maharashtra University. Taught there. Kabir's Bijak is also taught. Hundreds and hundreds of people are doing PhD. Hundreds and hundreds. Kabir was not even 10th class pass, but people who are doing PhD on Kabir get a doctorate. Ramakrishna, Leela Shah Bapu and others mastered only 2 subjects of concentration and detachment.